Sometimes in business, we have good problems, and we just had to overcome one over at our second facility. Basically, this yard has grown significantly over the past couple years, and we were running out of space the current way we were operating. So the guys have really worked hard to reorganize this entire yard, and they essentially moved our entire Ferris operation from one side of the yard down to the other, and they absolutely knocked it out of the park. Not only did they move the entire operation, but they made it more efficient by building all of these bunkers, so all the different types of material have a designated spot to go, and we don't have to handle the material quite as much. Customers can back onto this concrete pad right up to the bay corresponding to the material they have, unload, and then it's essentially ready to be shipped out. Over here on the side, we have our oversized material, which is material that needs to go back to the main yard to go through the shear or head to the shredder, like all those appliances and those big stacks of cars. And this is a perfect example of just letting your team get the job done. Essentially, we talked about what needed to happen over here, and the guys made it happen. I didn't really get involved at all. They built the bunkers. They coordinated moving the bunkers from the main yard to this yard, getting them set up, moving the material, getting the flow pattern set up for customers. And man, let me tell you, I couldn't have designed it better myself. I probably would have done worse. Some of you guys will be a little bit bummed out though, because all this space we had over here dedicated for the auto parts junkyard is now being utilized as the scrap yard. It just made sense for us to use this space because it already had that large concrete pad and we needed more space, and the junkyard wasn't operational yet, so we made it happen.